Today I need to look kind of good wearing my glasses because I am going to a lawn party. I know, I'm just so cool. I thought I would maybe do some sort of siren-ish eye, but I do have to admit that's not really my forte. I don't really play around with that a whole lot. So we're gonna fuck around and find out. Buffing that out with a blender brush that has nothing on it. Cleaning up a little bit underneath, and that should be pretty good. The hand is the best way to clear brushes, am I right? Damn, what an artwork. And I'm taking a really light purple, and that's gonna be going like a swoosh up like this. Well, now we're running into a problem. What the fuck did I put here? I'm gonna do a light dusting of the shimmer here. I don't want it to be like the center of attention, you know? Just like a little bit of, hey, I'm here too. I think that's quite nice. It's exactly what I wanted. I already do have a purple blush going. I'm gonna put just some of this pink right under here. I just think that brings it together slightly more. And I'm just gonna intensify the purple as well. I wanna use the Pearls Gone Wild highlighter in my inner corner, my nostril, and the rest of my face. More glitter. I love an under eye glitter. Mascara primer and Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara. But then on the bottom lashes, I'm going to try and do purple. Well, you can barely see it, but it's kind of there if you look close enough. Let's try Bikini Blaze by Kosas. Yes, I think that's nice. Just adding a little bit of gloss right at my cupid's bow. I don't know why, but just adding that gloss on the tip of my lip just makes me so happy. Moment of truth. Wish me luck.